Hey everyone, welcome back to Tip Talk 10. Today I'm going to walk you through a super simple way to create your own bio link website using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized, professional-looking link that you can share on your social media, in your email signature, or really anywhere you want. No coding, no complicated tools, just a couple of easy steps right inside Canva. Let's dive right in and get you set up. So first things first, head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, all you'll need is a free account. It's a fantastic platform for design, and trust me, you don't need to be a designer to make something great here. Once you've logged in, look for the big Create a Design button up in the top right corner. Give that a click. It's basically your gateway to any new project in Canva. Now in that search bar that appears, type BioLink. Canva is going to serve up a selection of templates specially made for BioLink websites. You can think of these templates as flexible blueprints. You don't have to start from a blank page or figure out sizing or layout on your own. Just let Canva do the heavy lifting. Go ahead and scroll through the templates that pop up. Take your time here. There are tons of styles from super minimal and clean to bold and colorful layouts. Think about what matches your personality or your brand. If you're not sure, pick one that feels inviting. You can always tweak the colors and fonts later. Click on a template you like to open it up. Once your template opens, you're in the fun part, editing the details and adding your own links. Now here, where you really make this bio link your own. Click into the text boxes to update your name, your handle, or whatever message you want your visitors to see up top. Next, find the buttons or the sections labeled for links. You might see things like Instagram, portfolio, or contact me. Go ahead and swap these out for your actual information. For example, if the template says Twitter, but you want to send people to your Etsy shop, just overwrite that text and paste in your real Etsy URL. You can also change up the colors, move elements around, add your own photo or logo, get creative. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get everything looking just right. Canva auto-saves as you go, so you can always undo or redo changes without any stress. All set, now let's share your masterpiece. Head up to the Share button, usually in the top right corner, click it and then select Download. For this project, make sure to choose PDF Print as your file type. Why PDF Print? Well, it gives you the highest quality and your clickable links will stay active, which is crucial for a BioLink website. Just hit download and Canva will package everything up for you. That's it. You've just created a slick new BioLink website that you can circulate wherever you need people to find all your important links in one spot. Super easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or you want to share your own creations, drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you come up with. And don't forget to subscribe to Tip Talk 10 for more practical, bite-sized tutorials that help you level up your digital skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.